How to make Opera GX account. So let's get started.
What you need to do is to click here on the profile icon or the person icon here in the top right. And then from here, you would want to click on sign in. Now, you will be prompted into this page where you would need to provide your Opera account details to sign in, or you could just continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So these are your ways on how you would be able to sign in here in Opera. So let's say we're going to go with email. So I'm just going to use this one. And then from here, I'm going to paste and continue. Now, from here, you can create an Opera account by using this email. And now you need to provide a password. So I'm just going to go for a password right here, maybe this one. And then from here, click on create account. Next, we'll be prompted here where it would now send a code into our email. So all we have to do is to just confirm that email that was sent to us, open that, and then just click on the button there to confirm the email. And then that's it. You have now created your Opera account. All that's left is to log in back here into Opera, and you have now created your account. That's it. Thank you for watching.